Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to do this simple yet impressive balloon plane. So you take this one 360 balloon, three 260 balloon, 1, 2, 3, and you'll need glue dots and marker. If you don't have glue dot, it's alright. I'll show you a way later in the video on how to attach the wings without the glue dots. So what you're gonna need for this balloon sculpture is 3 260 balloons of your color and one 360 balloon. So what I usually do is I cut the 360 in half like this, and I'll use the one that is the end. Inflate it all the way, tie it off. And then you're gonna get your 260 balloon. Start off with a sausage, a long balloon, pinch twist, a longer one. Usually I like to use my hands as a ruler. Another pinch twist. And for the last part, you can kind of angle it down so it forms a triangle. Like this. You can even curl a little bit more around here. And do a pinch twist. I'm gonna end off with tying the nozzle into the last pinch twist that we just did. And you can do another one to tie it back. I usually just roll the balloon inside. Okay. And then you can tear this off. There we have the back of the plane. And you're going to attach it in. Such. And hide all the balloons you can. There we have the back, like this. Now it's time for the wing, so inflate your 260 again. We're going to do a shorter one. Usually I like to do around this size. A pinch twist. A longer one. Usually I like to do 3 of my hands, so 1, 2, 3. And off here. Another pinch twist. And then same thing, gonna angle it down so your wings could be straight or could be angled a little bit like this. And up around here. Tie the nozzle into the pinch twist that we just did. Then we're going to do the same part over here. And same thing, we're going to roll the balloon in. There we have one of the wing. Gonna tear this off. Take the excess, kind of hide it inside. Oh, so that's one wing over here. So this for the other wing. there we have 2 wings, like this. Alright, so usually I like to glue the wings, but here's the method to not glue the wings. So you can take a 260 balloon, tie it to one of the pinch twists over here so it's secured. Get your other wing, gonna attach it together like this. Alright, like this. Leave a small space in between. Now we're gonna get the body. Place it over here. Then we will tie the bottom part of the wings. Wrap it around a few times and tear it off. So what you should have is something like this. Now do the same for this side. So take a 260, tie it in. Attach the top. Now to the bottom. And you can tear up this part. Hide all the nozzle and the excess balloons. Okay, and straighten the wings. There we have our plane. But usually I like to do it without any balloon tying, so it's cleaner. So I'll take a glue dot, or you can use a double side tape, doesn't matter. So I glue one on the top, on this part over here, top left. And I'll do another one on the bottom right. Something like this. And you're gonna get the body of your plane. Make sure it's aligned like this, not this way. Alright, or it's gonna look weird. Let's do it like this. Gonna glue it down carefully. There's one wing. So do the same thing on the other side. One glue dot, 2 glue dots. So align the wings carefully, glue them together. And there we have it. So as you can see, it looks much cleaner and it's very stable. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the drawing part of the plane. Shall I start with the mirror in front? Just do a simple curve down like this. Just let me make it thicker a little bit down the center. Something like this. Make sure to align both sides together. And you see the top here and here. Make sure they're aligned. Okay, so it looks something like this. Sorry, it's a bit slanted. Yeah, it happens sometimes. And now let's move on to the mirror. Usually I like to use the reflection of the lights as a ruler. So something like this. Now we'll draw single lines. Like this. Same thing for the other side. Alright, so I have to redo the drawing because it was horrendous. But here we go. So this is the end result. That's how it looks like. So it's very simple. All it takes is one balloon, 2, 3, 4 balloons, some glue dots and markers, and you can create a very impressive plane that will definitely make the kid happy. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please comment below and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video.